Hello everyone, my name is Sharie, and in this video, I'm going to be challenging myself to do a dopamine detox. According to the internet, a dopamine detox is identifying behaviors that you turn to frequently for a quick boost of happiness and taking a break from them. Pretty much, I've realized that everyone has their own loophole. A thing that they turn to when they're procrastinating, bored, when they don't want to do anything else. This loophole might be going on social media constantly, scrolling, binge watching Netflix, gaming, eating chocolate, you name it. I'm not saying those things are bad, because they're not, but they become a really bad thing when you turn to them to distract yourself from everyday life, to distract yourself from the more important things, rather than just for entertainment purposes. My loophole personally has been scrolling on social media and going on YouTube for way too long. And so this video is pretty much me taking a break from that and finding better ways to replace my time. Here are the rules. Guys, I'm literally 1 second into the challenge and I automatically go on my laptop and look where I end up at. Look, guys, just dude, I end up going on YouTube shorts. I end up going on YouTube, guys, like, seriously, like, oops, I'm supposed to zoom out. The whole point of this challenge was to like make sure that this isn't my habit. Like, I literally have a habit of just like going on YouTube just out of nowhere. Like, I open my laptop and I just go on YouTube. Like, bro, I really want to break that habit because it's such a bad. But anyways, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close this tab. I'm gonna do a little pamper routine today. So that's my plan. This is why I'm documenting like my progress, because day one is not that easy, guys. I'm used to it. It's a habit for me now. And I'm trying to break that habit. So I'm gonna be oiling my hair. I haven't done it in a while. So that's the first like pamper thing. That's the first, what is this? I begin with oiling like the center of it. I don't know what I do. I'm sorry, I'm not an expert. Then I take this comb and then I just kind of do another part, like a side part. And then I'm just kidding. Usually if I'm doing this, I would do it with music, so it's weird doing this in complete and utter silence. So my hair has been oiling for like quite some time now, but before I wash it out, I'm just gonna do another little pamper thing, which is waxing my eyebrows. They're a little bit grown out, so they're ready to be waxed. I wax my own eyebrows. Ever since I've done this detox challenge, I have noticed that time flows a lot more slowly. Like, I feel like I genuinely have a lot more free time, which is great. My hair is currently drying because I just finished taking a shower around like half an hour ago. But yeah, I washed out all the oil and my scalp is feeling really cleaner now. What do you guys think? So my heart is at the brown one, even though brown is not my color. It's very mature of me. I would never have thought to use brown as a nail polish color. Good morning, guys. So this morning I was fortunate enough to go to the park with my family, so I managed to get some sunlight in. Going on this dopamine detox really forces you to be alone with your own thoughts because you have no way of escaping from them. Usually I used to like escape by, you know, watching other people's lives rather than focusing on my own. Obviously there's nothing wrong with like watching other people on YouTube, but I found that I was watching other people's lives to the point where I would forget about my own, because ultimately it's much easier looking at someone else's life because you're not in control of it. But learning to face my own like thoughts, worries, concerns has been something that's been really nice, I guess, in this dopamine detox. And of course, journaling has really helped me with that, alongside prayer, which is why I was also doing Bible study. So I am writing a song at the moment, and it's easier for me to write like a song when I'm like emotional. When I came into this room, it was an absolute mess in here. I'm not even gonna explain, and I got really mad because I'm like, why is it so messy in here? I wrote a silly song about it. No heartbreak songs today. No, we're talking about messy rooms. Tick boxes and check marks to cross it off. Random things on to-do list, it's not my loss. I can clean, I can work every day, it'll hurt cause it all just resets again. Nothing new but I'm screwed every day, it feels blue cause there's never a permanent end. I don't know. I'm kind of bored. Let me get this straight. I'm not bored as in I have nothing to do, because I do have things that I want to do, but I'm just procrastinating doing them by doing nothing because I can't scroll. I really want to clean the piano room, but I'm procrastinating doing it because I can't listen to music while cleaning, and usually I love listening to music while cleaning, and literally I'm like dreading it at the moment. I'm like, I don't want to do it. I've just been sitting at this desk being like, what am I doing? Okay, let's get cleaning. These guitar picks are so impressive. I'm eating lunch alone right now, and it's really hard to like not do anything, because usually I would like watch a YouTube video, listen to music. It's been really weird like just eating in silence. I mean, I could find something to do like reading, but I don't have a good book right now, so yeah, just have to eat in silence and talk to myself, which is weird, but you know, at least my food's good. I had literally the longest day today, and even though I'm like resting right now, I want to rest and like watch like a show or watch YouTube. I can't even listen to music. That is probably so like I want to lay down and at least listen to music. At the moment, I have no other forms of entertainment, so I'm just kind of like here. I'm like, what do I do while sitting down? Do I just think of my own thoughts? I don't know. It's just being like, I don't know. I overworked myself today. Okay, so I've been on this dopamine detox for a good amount of days now. For the past few days, I realized that although I've been motivated to do more work and get more tasks done, I haven't necessarily felt fulfilled because I haven't found something to replace that feeling of serotonin that I get when I scroll or when I watch a YouTube video. So I'm gonna dedicate this day to simply reigniting things that make me happy and telling myself that there are more things that make me happy than just scrolling, than just going on YouTube. It's been hard obviously without music, without videos, without entertainment, but I'm gonna try to entertain myself today by doing hobbies that I haven't done in a really long time. So I'm literally dedicating a day to just trying to make myself happy without needing social media. I thrifted this top a little while ago at a thrift store. It's an amazing top, but it's way too big for me, so I have to adjust it if I want to wear it because I haven't been able to wear it yet. I haven't sewn something in literally the longest time. So I rejoined the two back pieces. This is what it looks like when the zip is undone. Okay, so this day is coming to a close. I've reconnected with old hobbies. I would love to encourage you to definitely do a dopamine detox and just challenge yourself because it really makes you try and think out of the box. But there's just a lot of realizations that come with it. Obviously, we can't stay off our devices forever as we live in such a technology-based world. So as we come back with more intention so that we don't get too carried away into social media life again. But I am gonna go back to social media, but with more intention and more restrictions because I realize that it's not necessary. And there are so many other things that can make me just as, if not more, happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Binge watch my old videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.